What if we told you that some warehouses today don't even need the lights on? That inside these giant silent buildings, robots are zipping through aisles, picking, packing, and sorting, all without human hands. This isn't science fiction. It's already happening. From Amazon to Alibaba, the future of logistics has arrived, and it runs on machines. But how does it all work? How do fleets of autonomous robots know exactly where to go? What keeps thousands of orders moving without crashing into chaos? In this video, we'll take you inside the most advanced warehouse automation systems, from robotic arms and shuttle systems to the brains behind it all. And at the end, we'll show you a real-time simulation of an automated warehouse in full action. You don't want to miss it. Let's get inside the warehouse of the future. Modern warehouses are no longer just rows of shelves and forklifts. They've evolved into smart, synchronized systems, powered by robotics and real-time data. Let's break down the core technologies driving this transformation. AGVs, automated guided vehicles. AGVs are the backbone of many automated warehouses. These vehicles follow fixed routes, often guided by magnetic strips, laser markers, or wires embedded in the floor. Their job? Transport pallets, containers, and packages between zones like storage, packing, and loading docks. They're reliable, efficient, and perfect for repetitive tasks, but limited when flexibility is required. AMRs, autonomous mobile robots. More advanced than AGVs, AMRs don't need fixed paths. They use onboard sensors, cameras, and real-time mapping to navigate freely through the warehouse, even adapting to obstacles. Think of them as self-driving carts that can reroute on the fly. They're ideal for dynamic environments, especially in e-commerce warehouses, where order volumes and layouts change constantly. Shuttle systems. Imagine tiny, high-speed robots zipping through narrow aisles on tracks, retrieving storage bins from racks stacked multiple stories high. That's a shuttle system. These bots operate in vertical and horizontal directions, pulling storage totes and delivering them to picking stations within seconds. They dramatically improve space utilization and speed. AutoStore. AutoStore is a cube-based storage system where bins are stacked on top of each other inside a grid. Robots travel across the top of the grid, digging down to access and retrieve bins. It's incredibly compact, allowing up to 4 times more storage in the same footprint compared to traditional shelving. AutoStore is ideal for high-density environments with thousands of small items. Robotic picking arms. Using advanced vision systems and grippers, robotic arms can identify and grab and move individual items from bins to conveyor belts or packing stations. They're trained to handle a wide variety of products, from boxes to oddly shaped packages. These robots are getting smarter every year, improving both speed and precision. So, how does your online order turn into a neatly packed box that shows up at your door, sometimes within hours? Let's walk through the full warehouse fulfillment process, step by step. 1. Order received. It all begins when you click that Place Order button. Instantly, the Warehouse Management System, WMS, kicks into gear. It identifies the product's location, checks inventory, and assigns the task to the right machine. 2. Item located. If the item is stored in an AutoStore or shuttle system, the robotic grid or shuttles will retrieve the correct bin. If it's in a conventional racking area, an AMR or AGV is dispatched to the shelf. These bots navigate the warehouse, either following preset routes or dynamically adjusting based on real-time mapping. 3. Transport to picking station. Once the item is located, the robot carries it to a picking station. In some warehouses, a robotic arm will grab the item directly from the bin. In others, a human picker works alongside the robot, scanning and verifying the product. 4. Sorting and quality check. The item is scanned for accuracy and condition. It's then routed via conveyor belts or robots to the appropriate packing area based on shipping priority or customer region. 5. Packing and labeling. Here, automated machines or human workers package the product. Labels are printed and attached using high-speed applicators. Some systems even weigh and scan the package to confirm it matches the order. 6. loading and shipping. Finally, the packed item moves to an outbound zone. AGVs or conveyors deliver it to a designated dock based on shipping route and carrier. Packages are loaded in batches optimized for delivery efficiency. From the first click to the final mile, every movement is tracked, timed, and optimized. And while it looks effortless, behind the scenes is a symphony of machines, software, and sensors working in perfect harmony. Next, let's see how these systems all stay connected. Because in automation, integration is everything. Behind every robot and conveyor belt is a highly coordinated network of software and control systems. Without this digital backbone, even the most advanced machines would act in chaos. Let's look at how the key systems integrate to keep everything running smoothly. WMS, Warehouse Management System. The WMS is the master controller. It knows where every item is stored, which orders are pending, and what tasks each robot or worker needs to perform. It assigns tasks in real time, tracks inventory levels, and makes sure nothing falls through the cracks. MES, Manufacturing Execution System. If the warehouse is part of a larger manufacturing facility, the MES comes into play. It monitors production output and syncs it with the warehouse operations, ensuring items are picked, packed, and shipped in line with what's being produced. PLCs, Programmable Logic Controllers. PLCs handle low-level control, starting and stopping conveyor belts, opening gates, and managing sensors. They respond within milliseconds, ensuring that physical components behave exactly as programmed. Sensors and RFID systems. Thousands of sensors are embedded across the facility to detect motion, weight, temperature, and more. RFID tags and barcode scanners track each item's movement and location in real time, helping the system make split-second decisions, like rerouting a robot or triggering an alarm. Real-time communication. All these systems communicate constantly through a central server or cloud-based network. If a robot is delayed, the WMS can reassign the task. If an item is missing, the system can flag it instantly and reorder it automatically. System integration ensures every part of the warehouse, machines, software, people, operates like a single intelligent organism. But how much of a difference does this actually make? Let's look at the measurable benefits of warehouse automation. Warehouse automation isn't just about advanced robots. It delivers real results. Automated systems dramatically boost speed and throughput, processing thousands of orders per hour without fatigue. With barcode scanning, RFID, and robotic picking, accuracy can exceed 99%, cutting down on errors and returns. Space is used more efficiently thanks to vertical storage solutions like AutoStore, while repetitive tasks are handled by machines, improving safety and letting workers focus on higher value roles. Real-time dashboards offer managers full visibility over operations, and though the initial cost is high, most systems pay for themselves within a few years. But automation comes with challenges. Systems need regular maintenance, and a single breakdown can disrupt everything. Warehouses must be carefully laid out to avoid traffic jams and ensure smooth robot movement. Scaling and integrating new tech requires expertise, and the upfront investment in training can be steep. Still, companies that overcome these hurdles see massive gains. Looking ahead, automation is only getting smarter. AI will optimize tasks in real time, drones will handle inventory checks, and digital twins will simulate entire warehouses before making changes. The goal? Fully autonomous, lights-out operations that run 24/7 with no humans on site. From AGVs and robotic arms to AI and drones, warehouse automation is redefining fulfillment. It's fast, efficient, and always evolving. So next time your package arrives early, remember, it may have never touched human hands. If you enjoyed this, comment and subscribe for more tech deep dives.